Hey, welcome back to the channel. Continuing on with this queen bed build, just about done. So it is Thursday. You won't see this till Monday, I think. But I had another client meeting this morning. Family friend. He had some new windows installed, so I'm just going to be casing those out and the windows, staining the windows and stuff like that. So, not a glamorous job, but it's a job. So last video left off. We're just getting ready to put the canopy. I'm calling it a canopy. I'm not sure if that's the right word. It was the top portion of the queen bed, where they're going to hang curtains and stuff down. So I got everything sanded, everything rounded over, and so I'm going to get ready to install this. So here are all the canopy parts. Got everything rounded over, like I said. Working on some Etsy orders. I got 2 Etsy orders, so just got this one glued up. So now I need to work on putting the threaded inserts, which are these guys, up in the top of the posts. So that way I can bolt everything together. All right, couldn't figure out how to get a camera up here to record this, but pretty much just drilled a hole and then screwed this in with the Allen wrench. It looks wet because I put a little bit of resin in here last night to help stabilize this, because I was afraid that this was just gonna split when I screwed that in, even if pre-drilling it. Once again, didn't do a good job recording. Sometimes I get carried away and forget that I need to record. But there is that bolt through these 2 pieces, and then it's through that insert in the post. So we got all of the canopy done down there. It is looking good, so I still need to round over like these edges and that outside edge so that everything matches. Like this one, need it round over that edge so that it kind of all matches and flows good. I ended up rounding over the top of the post. Here, let me get a better shot. So there's a rounded over the top of the post. I need to sand that a little bit more, but so everything will be rounded. I think it will all look good. So right now I am working on putting the mattress supports in. So these will get screwed to that, and then there'll be a sheet of 1/4 inch plywood, and these are for notches are for some cross members. All right, just got done putting in the mattress supports, so then I'll put there'll be 2 sheets of 1/4 inch plywood to go on top of that. It should be nice and strong. It is Friday. I feel like I've just been sanding all day. Just picked up the camera. It is mid-afternoon, early afternoon. I've just been sanding, prepping, got everything taken apart. I did get my Etsy orders done and take those to the post office, so that took a little bit of time, but I think I am done sanding. I hope so. Let me show you. All right, so here is the front of the headboard. This was the canopy pieces, and these are the rail pieces, so I think we're good to go. And so what I am going to do next is brush on a pre-stain conditioner. I found that works really well. It prevents the blotchiness that you would see if you just were able to stain the wood by itself. It gives it a nice even coat of brown. I've used it before, and like I said, I have good results for it. So I have to paint that on, let it dry, then sand it with 220, and then I can stain. So it is Saturday. I wasn't planning on working today, but I am. So ran into an issue with my finishing process. So I had picked up this Varathane stain because I had used this Midwax stain before, but notice this is water-based. You're supposed to use an oil-based conditioner with oil-based stains, which I'm using right there. But I had to use this on a previous project and then used an oil-based stain, and it worked great, turned out great. So I put this stuff on yesterday, and it made the wood really like oily, and it didn't take the stain well. You can't really, doesn't pick it up on camera, but in person, this is a lot lighter than this. This has the conditioner, this doesn't. So pretty much thought I had ruined my project because with the samples that had got picked, it's supposed to be dark, not medium brown. So I pretty much spent my Saturday sanding everything. It sucked because it gummed up the papers. I had to use the eraser a lot, but everything is sanded. I have started to stain everything, and it is all turning out great. So I think we are good. So I'm gonna continue to stain and then hopefully get a finish on later today, if not tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully this turns out good, because if not, I'm gonna be in deep, you know what. So the saga continues to the next video. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.